nature talks to us. So I am about the third day into my vacation, and Saturday, Sunday, Monday, fourth day, sorry, and it is pouring down, literally, and it is lightnings and thunder and things and stuff, and well, the electricity went as well, so there we are. But it's fabulous. The air is so lifted. The heaviness of the warmth and air is just gone, and you can breathe, and you don't sweat like a sinner in church. Oh, there was a lightning. I don't know if you saw that, but the lightnings are here. Yes.